Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and continue in Autofill with Google Pop-up. Now just click on Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. You need at least one to make them visible, so to fix it, click on this gear at the top right corner and make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Then log into one of your apps and click on Save in Google Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. In order to do that, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, you can input your website, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then type in your email, username or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're done, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!